Alright guys, welcome to Sales Success. I got few questions on Instagram on my post that I kept for the question and answer round, and I'll answer all the questions over here. This will be good for everybody, everybody can get benefited. So first question is asked by Sid Navigates. It's the Instagram handle. We are hearing many news about missing cadets and seafarers from the fleet ships. Please say about it. And also, is fleet management a good company? See, I would say all the companies are good companies until and unless they give you a job and they give you salary and decent standards of living as per the MLC, Maritime Labor Convention. Okay, if they comply with MLC, it is a good company. First, clean, clear, nice answer. You come to ship for work, you get your salary, you get good food, good cabin, things like that. Good company. Finished story. We are hearing news about missing cadets. See, it's not that you're hearing news now because you're hearing news now because media is very active, especially the social media. It's like rapid fire in the jungle. But my point is that if you are coming to the ship for the first time as a cadet or as a junior engineer or maybe as trainee viper or whatever rank, just make sure that you respect your seniors. Respect for the senior leadership is always there. But if you think at any point of time that things are going over the head, they are unbearable, just take action. Report. Every company has, as per the SMS, you have your reporting complaint procedures. Know that complaint procedure, follow it, and if you think on board your complaint will not be heard, go ahead and just connect with DPA or any of the, if it's imminent danger like Cadet Dhananjay, I created one video about him. I will put the link in the description. Do watch it. You will learn few things that when you become senior what you have to take care. So watch that video as well, and just immediately you can contact the IDF. Okay, ISWAN is very active for Asia. They have their website. I will put the link in the description. And first and foremost thing that you should do, try to talk with the immediate senior who is creating problem for you. If you think it is not going to work, connect with master or somebody you trust on board vessel. There must be some person, and if you think there is nobody who will try to understand you, you can directly connect with DPA that I am facing imminent danger, and to avoid trouble, please do something about it. Important thing. Stress is there. It's not like that you're being overworked sometimes, you're getting work and you're thinking that okay, this is unbearable. Then you're not fit for merchant navy. If you're coming to ship, there are hardships, but something is harassing you mentally, physically, sexual harassment, mental harassment, anything like that, report. Attend to the call of your mind. Next question. A Navy guy, Instagram handle, says, so tell me the responsibilities of engine cadet and how you feel about MSc. I feel fantastic about MSc. I feel absolutely nice because as Sid Navigate asked me, what do you tell a good company? So MSc is a good company. Okay, so this is my answer, that MSc is a brilliant company. I liked working here, and I get Indian khana. आम का अचार भी मिलता है, दाल रोटी भी मिलती है, गुड फूड, और हर जगह थोड़ा थोड़ा disbalance होता है, but it's okay. Yeah. Sir, tell me the responsibilities of engine cadet. See, this is a big topic. So I will create one separate video on this very soon. And as of now, I would recommend that you go and watch Ashish Thakur Mariner, his Instagram handle. He has created one video about responsibilities of junior engineers. So you can watch that for now. And my version I will create soon. Instagram handle Red Devil asks, sir, any off-campus placement companies other than Synergy for TME? Why not? There are plenty companies when they are, see, this is the game of demand and supply. So when there is demand in the market, suddenly you will see many companies putting the advertisements in major newspapers, in Marex. So keep checking the websites, keep checking the Marex magazine website, and you will get information from there. It's not that only one company is hiring, everybody needs fresh people, fresh faces. So whenever, because of flooding in the market, as you know, since past 5 years, and even 10 years back when I passed out from college, situation was such. You can check my video, I will put the link in the description, about my journey in merchant navy until now. Already 10 years, and they've been rough, like the rough seas. So you can watch the video, you will get good insight about what actual problems you face. Because ठोकर खा खा के आया हूँ यहाँ तक, तो I just don't want to have people the misconception merchant navy के बारे में. तो इसीलिए I create videos, I talk something that nobody else talks about. So that's pretty much about it. So you can get sponsorship when there is demand in the market. As of now, it is difficult, but not impossible. So keep trying, keep trying, keep trying. And if in case somebody says that I don't have a job, so I'm depressed and I'm helpless, तो भैया ये आज का ज़माना है, मोबाइल इंटरनेट का ज़माना है. ओला चलाओ, ऊबर चलाओ, अमेज़ोन पे कुछ बेचो, कुछ वीडियो बनाओ. अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कोई कला आती है, कुछ आर्ट आती है, डांस करना आता है, कुछ ड्राइंग बनाना आता है, डू समथिंग, सेल योर सेल्फ इन द पॉजिटिव वे. हाँ, सो बहुत सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज़ हैं जो पहले नहीं थी भाई साहब. तो ट्राई डूइंग इट. वियारन, आई एम सॉरी, इट्स PATIALVIARUN. It's the name of the guy who asked me the questions. How the promotions in MSc? Not only in MSc, in any company, if you are capable, if you are having good reports, promotions are okay. And due to the flooding of the market, of course, there are plenty filters now, plenty new ranks coming up. But still, if your graph of progress is good, then definitely you can go ahead and have promotion. So it's not about the company, it's about the situation. Again, the game of demand and supply applies here as well. Then the same guy asked me another question. MSc waiting period nowadays for deck cadet and third and second officers. See, waiting period for any rank is around, especially junior ranks, deck cadet, junior officers, junior engineers to fourth engineer, fifth engineer, is minimum 6 months. Minimum 6 months as of now. Okay, this date 30th of December 2020. So I am speaking that it is the situation that minimum 6 months of waiting period. And in higher ranks, like you become second officer, so you can expect 1 to 3 months, anything between 1 to 3 months. I am a third engineer. 1 to 3 months I call, in within 1 month I can get the joining, within 15 days I can get the joining, or maybe 3 months sometimes. So that also depends. All the questions does not have any fixed answer that okay, there are 4 options A, B, C, D, and I will check mark on C. B is also possible, D is also possible. So that way you have to be flexible. When you are in merchant navy, you have to be flexible, very flexible, with your thoughts, with your mind, with your actions, because anything can happen. Okay. Then Abbas, Instagram handle Abbas, he speaks about best college for GME. Again, my friend, I told you, the best company, the best college, of course, is the one who can get you placements. And as per the new circular of DG Shipping, it is very clear that now if you go for any of the professional courses, be it deck or be it marine engineering, okay, then it is a responsibility of the institution, and your training will be considered completed, not only from the studies that you are doing on the shore, but with your training ship. So it has become legally the responsibility of the college, the maritime college, that they have to get you the sponsorship, they have to get you through the training ship. So it's a good news, and this will keep a check on flooding in the market. So it's a good action by DG Shipping. So just take note of it. You can go and read this circular in DG Shipping website under the tab of circulars. Okay. So any college that can provide you with a job at end of the end of your course is a good college. Not only in Merchant Navy, anywhere. Top 5 companies giving GME sponsorship. I cannot name top 5 companies, but I can say again, as I am talking again and again about demand and supply, it is a matter of demand and supply. Sure. So if you have demand, you will see advertisements in the newspaper. Likewise. Okay. So these are the questions that people ask me for the first round of question answers, and we will do more question answer rounds in coming future. And also I would like to update you that Sailor Success is going to provide you with authentic information, and as always I talk about many topics in Merchant Navy that nobody talks about. I take and I conduct interviews of the experts in Merchant Navy and also the budding people who are doing great. You must have seen Ayush Khare, cadet from Tolani. He climbed Mount Kilimanjaro. I will put the link in the description and watch that video. That guy did great job, and he's just a cadet. So there are plenty stories like that. Like, subscribe, share. Everybody says. I don't worry about the likes and comments. I just want to spread the knowledge, so please share. Okay. I came to YouTube from my main page has been always Facebook, but everybody suggested me that YouTube. So here I am on YouTube. It's a new channel. Support it, share it with your batchmates, with your office, with your colleagues, shipmates. Stay happy and hopefully happy New Year 2021. See you.